Nvidia's dominance over AI chips might finally meet its match. A new startup called Modular just raised $250 million at a $1.6 billion valuation, and it's aiming to loosen Nvidia's grip on the AI software world. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment below. It really helps the channel grow. Now here's why this story matters. Founded in 2022 by ex-Apple and Google engineers, Modular built a platform that lets developers run AI applications across any type of chip, without rewriting code for each one. That means whether you're using Nvidia, AMD, or cloud providers like Oracle and Amazon, Modular's software makes it all just work. For years, Nvidia has held over 80% of the high-end AI chip market, largely because of its CUDA software, a closed ecosystem that over 4 million developers rely on. Modular's approach? Stay neutral. CEO Chris Lattner calls it the Switzerland strategy. He says the goal isn't to crush Nvidia, but to create a level playing field so everyone can compete. Investors love that idea. The round was led by the U.S. Innovative Technology Fund, with backing from GV, General Catalyst, Greylock, and DFJ Growth. DFJ's Sam Fort even compared Modular to VMware for the AI era, software that lets companies move workloads seamlessly between different vendors. With about 130 employees, Modular will use the new capital to expand its engineering and go-to-market teams, and push into the AI training market, not just inference. Here's the bigger picture. If Modular succeeds, it could help break Nvidia's software monopoly and open up a truly multi-vendor AI ecosystem, one where innovation isn't trapped inside a single company's code. Watch the related video in the corner to see how Nvidia's next move could reshape this battle. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think. Is Modular the one to finally challenge Nvidia's dominance?